HeroReviews.ca. How to convert a long URL into a short link. Hello everyone, and welcome to HeroReviews.ca. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to convert any long, messy URL into a clean, professional, and easy-to-share short link, completely free. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and visit HeroReviews.ca. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down until you see the Create My QR Code button, then click it. A new page will open. On the right-hand side, you'll find the Convert to Short URL option. Click on it. Now simply paste your long URL into the text box. You can also type it manually if you prefer. Once your link is ready, click the blue Convert URL button. That's it. Within seconds, your long URL is transformed into a short, clean, and shareable link that's perfect for social media, emails, text messages, and marketing campaigns. Simply click Copy Short URL, and you're ready to share it anywhere. And that's not all. With HeroReviews.ca, you can also create powerful AI-powered QR codes to make sharing your links even easier. Best of all, it's fast, simple, and free. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, visit HeroReviews.ca and start creating your own short URLs and AI-powered QR codes today.